action.
So, for my 3 experiments, I am using the Stop Faking It Energy book. And the first one is testing thermal energy, learning a little bit more about that. I have a glass of cold water that I put an ice cube in to make sure it's really cold, a glass of room temperature water, and then a glass of warm water. And what you have to do is stick one hand into the cold water and your other hand into the hot water for about a minute. And then you're going to take them out and feel the room temperature water. So this experiment you're not really going to get to see. You're just going to have to take my word for it or try it on your own. So it's been a few seconds, maybe about a minute. I'm going to take my hands out. When I put my fingers that were in the ice cold water in the room temperature glass, that water feels really warm. But when I put my fingers in the room temperature glass that had been in the hot water, it feels really cold. So what that's kind of proving is that humans aren't a very good judge of temperature. It's just kind of perspective. How hot or cold your skin is depends on how hot or cold something feels. So how do we measure temperature? We had to come up with something that was consistent, and what happened is they decided to use water. The freezing point of water, freezing and melting point of water is always the same, and then the boiling point when water turns into steam is always the same. So that's how they developed the Celsius and the Fahrenheit temperature systems. That's all.